Utilizing social media to connect with stylists and to connect with schools in your area and to put content out that will help others learn and grow is a fast track way to attract stylists into your business. By doing this, you will attract stylists with desire to learn and grow. Hello and welcome to the Elevate podcast. I'm your host, Patricia Nowakowski. I am a salon owner, educator, and mindset coach that helps hairstylists and salon owners go from overwhelmed and burnt out to motivated and empowered. It is my mission to help you systemize your business, generate more profit, and create a career behind the chair that you love. Join us every week to learn about small shifts you can make to elevate your business regarding mindset, marketing, social media, business systems, and so much more. Welcome to this week's Elevate podcast, and this week we are going to be talking about how to organically attract people to want to work in your business. I think that there is a specific characteristic, or I should say characteristics, that really draw stylists to you when it comes to hiring and filling your salon with your team. And I'm going to go over some of the things that I've noticed while coaching and really being in the industry on things that draw stylists to you so that you don't have to go searching and really looking for stylists to work inside of your salon. So having a clear vision is going to draw people to you like a magnet. When you have a clear vision and when your business is more than just servicing clients, when you have a mission and when you really do have a purpose behind everything that you do, when we share this on social media, what ends up happening is we draw people who are attracted to this. We draw them in with almost like a magnetic energy because they align with everything that you're doing inside of your business. And when we have a really clear vision and when we have a really clear purpose and mission, and when we share this on social media, it really does create a team that aligns with your culture because they know exactly what you are, who you are, and what you're doing before they even work for you. So they already align with all of those things because they've already seen all of the things that you've shared on social media. I think another thing that's so important as a salon owner, and I think this is something that I see that is lacking all the time, is having certainty. So having certainty means that you are certain and you know 100% matter of fact what it is you do in your business, the type of results your stylist gets, what your business creates. And when we have that certainty, this is what builds confidence. And it builds confidence in others for us as a leader and as a business. So being self-aware about your business and knowing your results and knowing how you're helping your community and knowing the things that are happening inside of your business, I think is imperative to attracting a team. Certainty and confidence are so important. And I think as salon owners, especially if you're not in coaching or if you aren't working with somebody or you don't have a close knit of salon owner friends, really gaining certainty can be very, very difficult because we're second guessing ourselves all the time as leaders. I even second guess myself. I am so lucky to have such an amazing support inside of Destroy the Hairdresser and inside of my friend group because most of my friends are also salon owners. It is something that I am so grateful for because when I do start to, let those negative thoughts creep in, or when I start to second guess myself, having somebody to bounce that back to, or, really talk out what I'm feeling really helps me hold on to that certainty and gain clarity. So if you are somebody who struggles with not feeling certain or having certainty inside of your business, I highly recommend finding a mentor, getting into coaching, or connecting with another salon owner who is also doing and getting the same results as you, because that is going to help you get clarity, and that's also going to help you stay focused, and it's also going to keep you on track. Another thing that I've noticed when it comes to attracting a team is having influence. What are you doing inside of the industry that's influential? What are you doing inside of your community that's influential? What are you doing for the beauty schools or the new hires or the new talent or the new stylists that are up and coming in our industry? that's influential. I think having influence and having impact draws people to you. Being bold, knowing and sharing your values and beliefs, even though you know they don't align with everybody, because again, that is going to find your people that really align with your culture and your purpose, will help you draw stylists to you. So really putting yourself out on social media, I think, is huge. Getting involved in your community and really getting involved in the schools is something that is going to help you gain traction and help you gain influence. Another thing that is so powerful, and I've said this on a past podcast, is connecting and serving on social media. Utilizing social media to connect with stylists and to connect with schools in your area and to put content out that will help others learn and grow is a fast track way to attract stylists into your business. By doing this, you will attract stylists with desire to learn and grow. So people who are drawn to content that is education focused or focused on learning, that is the type of stylist you want because they're focused on growth. And when we are in the salon, we know that growth needs to happen in order to build a clientele. So you will build such a great team because this is the energy you're putting out, and the energy you put out is what you will attract to your business. You will also build trust with people watching you on social media. And I feel like that is also crucial to having a strong culture, having a team that trusts you, having a team that looks up to you. Also, connecting and serving is another way to, again, be influential on social media, is a great way to start building that team and to start having people organically come to you. You can also connect and build relationships on social media. And that's by really following, liking, commenting, interacting, engaging with people who you want to work inside of your business. That means that you are utilizing social media in a way that is proactive and you're not just scrolling just to scroll to look at mindless content. When we're on social media, we really want to make sure we're utilizing it in a way that's going to create results for our business. So getting sucked into the scroll game is a waste of time. One way that I like to really stay focused is I like to have my messages really dialed in. My basic message inbox for Instagram, and I forget what it's called, is where all of my normal messages funnel into, but then my other mailbox, which it might be called general, I'm not sure. That's where I house all of the stylists and all of the people in our industry that I want to connect with. So I can literally just go through, click on that mailbox, and right there is almost like a saved file of all the people I want to engage with on a regular basis. So I'll click on their profile, I'll like their photos if they have new photos, I'll engage in their story if they have stories, I will share if there's anything that is share worthy, but really making sure that you are making yourself known on social media is a great way to draw attention to you and to your business. And also remember, social media is meant to be social. So we really want to make sure that we are utilizing it in a way that is going to be impactful for ourselves, impactful for our careers, and impactful for our businesses. So if you don't know where to start and you really want to start working on being an influential, if you really want to start working on building your social media presence or just learning social media, if you want to work on having and working out your vision and having a clear vision, and you want to work on gaining certainty, the best way to do that, I feel like, is working with a coach. This is something that really helped me grow at a rapid rate, and working with my coach at Destroy the Hairdresser, David, really helped me really solidify my business and really work out all of the things that I was uncertain about. So you can simply set up a enrollment call, and that is going to be found at destroythehairdresser.com, and that's how you can work with me one-on-one. We have a new program launching at the end of November, which I'm so excited about. So stay tuned for more information on that. That's going to be a game changer for all of the salon owners out there. And we are so excited to share that with you soon. Thank you so much for listening, and see you next week.